Hello everyone, welcome to Aptech Knowledge. This is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can make a simple automatic slider in HTML. So this is actually very easy, and I'll show you as easily as possible. So let's get started. So first I'll show you this is my folder slider2, and over here you can see 4 images. I already have them over here, and I already create index.html. Okay, and I opened it using Sublime Text. So let's start our coding. Title will be automatic slider. Okay, and let's say over here div, and inside this div we will have our images. Okay, so let's say image, and source, it means image name, which is hero_on.jpg. You can see it over here, and let's say its height will be 400, and width will be 100%. It means it will the image will take the whole skin. Okay, so let's save it, and let's check over here. I'm just going to cut it and open it from here. Okay, we are getting on images. Okay, let's just change the background color over here. So for it we'll just say over here bg color, we can say black or any color that you prefer. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, our background color is black now. So let's just copy it and paste it over here. So this one will be hero 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So let's save it, and let's refresh. Okay, we right now have 3 images over here. Okay, so now let's come over here just before ending body. Okay, and over here we'll write script, and inside this script we will declare a variable my index equal to let's 0, and then we will say Carousel. Now Carousel is actually a JavaScript function which we use to create automatic slider. Okay, so we'll see over here right now function Carousel. Okay, and then inside this function we'll again declare another variable I. Okay, and then we'll say var x is equal to. Now one more thing is that we are going to pass those images over here, right, inside my script. So for this we need to declare a class over here. So I'll say over here class, let's name it my slides. Okay, I'll just copy it and paste it over here, and we are going to use this class to create our automatic slide. Okay, so inside this var x we will say document dot get element by class name, and then inside it we will write my slides. Okay, so I'll just copy it and paste it over here. So Control S. So now the thing is we are showing all the 3 images over here, right? But right now what we'll do is that we will just hide all the images. That's the first thing we're going to do in our script. So for this we are just going to write over here a for loop. We will say I is equal to 0. We already declared this I variable, and then we will say I is smaller than 3, then I plus plus. Now why I is smaller than 3? Because we have actually 3 images, that's why. And now we will just say x I dot style dot display equal none. So what will happen is that it will at the beginning display no images. Okay, and right now we are going to say my index plus plus. It means my index value at the beginning of 0, and right now my index value is on. Then since we have 3 images, so we need to add a condition so that my index value doesn't become higher than 3. Okay, so for this we will say if my index is greater than 3, then my index equal on. Okay, so what will happen is the index value becomes higher than 3, then it will automatically become index value automatically become on. Okay, now we'll just say x my index minus on dot style dot display equal, this time we will show image on by on. Okay, and then we need to set a time for how long a image will show. So it says set timeout then carousel carousel comma 2000. Now 2000 is the time, 2000 means 2 seconds, and it will call our carousel function again from here. So it will call our carousel function. Okay, so I'll just okay, before giving another brief, I'm just going to save it and show it. Refresh over here. Okay, okay guys, the mistake was over here. Set timeout. Okay, let's save it. Now let's refresh again. Okay, here you can see that the image is moving automatically. Okay, so over here what is happening is that we declare over here my index variable equal to 0, and then it's coming over here, then it's becoming on, and then x and then index on minus on 0, it means it's showing the first image, then this is x on and this is x2, right? It's showing the first image, right? Then it's calling our carousel function again over here, then our in my index value becomes 2, right? Then it's calling the showing the other image, and then again going over here, and then becomes 3 and then becomes 4. But when its value becomes 4, it means my index value is greater than 3, right? Then it will automatically my index value will be automatically on, right? And then start at the from the beginning again. Okay, so this is what is happening over here. So I hope you understand how you can make a simple automatic slider in HTML. So I hope I was able to help. So, and thank you very much for watching this video.